Inventory shipping costs can be one of the biggest costs to consider when actually ordering your inventory. Next to the actual cost of the inventory itself, there are so many ways to get your product from overseas into the States, but what are some of the best methods to save as much money as possible to increase your profits where you can? Let's go. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube family. If you guys are new to the channel, you guys are new to the family, welcome. Happy to have you. My name is Andy. I've been selling on the Amazon platform as a private label seller for a few years now, and I currently release videos twice a week just on Amazon FBA specific topics. So if you're interested in Amazon, anything Amazon FBA, and you guys are in the space, definitely consider subscribing. Hopefully you find this content helpful. It's just for you guys. But if you guys are on Facebook as well, definitely check out Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind on Facebook, and there's a direct link down below in the description, as well as check out my Instagram where I release daily content on Amazon FBA specific topics. And every single video, if you guys are new to the channel, I release a free 30-minute coaching call just for the Prestige fam. So definitely stay till the end of this video to find out how you can be entered into winning that. Everyone hates dealing with shipping costs just because it cuts into their profit and increases the cost of goods sold, and it just makes you less money and it puts less money in your pocket. But increased shipping efficiency, especially on the Amazon side of things, has been one of the major catalysts for the reason of Amazon expanding as quickly as it has been. Now, if you're new to the Amazon space and you're new to the private label space, there are common shipping terms that you'll run across, or you will come across, especially when you're talking to your supplier. And these common terms are EXW, FOB, and DDP, or DDP, direct, or pretty much door-to-door shipping. But if you haven't already checked out the previous videos, I released pretty much a series on shipping terms and different terms to be aware of, and I go in depth more of those exact shipping terms, so definitely go check out my previous videos. I think you guys will find it beneficial, especially if you guys are just starting out the Amazon FBA journey. So on a basic level, EXW basically means that you take care of all of the cost of goods and just the cost of goods. The supplier that you're working with deals nothing with the entire shipment, so you will have to bring the shipment from wherever your supplier is to the nearest port, and then to the States or wherever you're selling products. FOB, your supplier deals with the shipment from their factory up to the nearest port. Then you would need to hire a freight forwarder to kind of deal with the rest of the shipping to wherever you need to get your products. And then DDP is basically, or DDU, that's what I was going to say. DDP or DDU, delivery duties paid or delivery duties unpaid, is where basically your supplier will take care of the entire shipping process. So you basically pay them the cost of goods sold, or the cost of goods plus the shipping, and they will deal with the entire shipping process up to, if you have to ship it to the fulfillment center, they'll deal with that entire thing. So if you're just starting out and you want the easiest way to go about shipping, definitely try to work with a supplier that offers DDP shipping. But on top of these three different types of shipping and shipping terms, there's also ways you can expedite that shipping. So you can either ship your products and your inventory through sea shipping or air shipping, or a combination of both. There's definitely price differences, of course, with the cost of flying your product over as opposed to having it on a boat and shipped over. It's probably about a 3 to 4 times price difference. So having your product over in the States faster, it costs about 3 to 4 times more expensive. So definitely, if your product, and definitely check out my previous video of how you can manage your inventory better. But if you're not in a rush to get your product, I highly suggest going the route of sea shipping, just because you'll definitely be able to save a lot more money and keep a lot more money in your pocket, while also increasing those profit margins, decreasing those costs of goods, just by being able to ship via sea. Now, of course, sea shipping does take a lot more time, but as mentioned, it definitely pays to be able to manage and forecast your inventory. Sea shipping can definitely take anywhere between typically the estimation is like 30 to 40 business day or 30 to 40 days, and air shipments can get here as soon as 3 to 6 days. So definitely a huge difference in time. If you're in a rush and you feel as though time is definitely money, which is definitely the case. Consider both. You can also split up the shipment in between, 30 to 70% or 50-50. So if you want to ship 50% air, just so you have some up front and then some coming later, or 30% air and 70% sea. I've definitely done that if I need shipments arriving faster. So just another thing to consider. So one of the biggest ways you can save on shipping is just by not settling. So if in the case you do come across a supplier that offers DDP shipping, they may more than likely try to increase that shipping price for you. That is just from my experience, and this is just what one of my students, Jack, reminded me of a few days ago when the supplier offered him a shipping quote, and I said, whoa, this is really expensive. You should definitely look into working with a shipping forwarder to see how you can kind of negotiate those prices and have multiple prices to compare to. So this is something that I highly recommend. If you guys need a recommendation for a shipping forwarder, I can definitely recommend you my personal shipping forwarder to hopefully give you another price comparison. Everybody has different quotations, and they'll quote you based on size, dimensions, and various different things. But I highly recommend you, just as you are vetting different suppliers for pricing and quality, you should definitely contact different shipping companies as well to compare prices. Just like you're comparing your suppliers. It definitely pays off in the long run, and I can tell you from past orders that I've worked with, suppliers have definitely quoted me about twice the price for shipping, which was outrageous. And beginning, when I was just starting, I was like, okay, maybe these are just normal shipping costs, but these are definitely not normal shipping costs, especially if you're just starting out. Definitely shop around for a shipping forwarder. If you want to, you can definitely post in different Facebook groups for different shipping forwarders and shipping companies that other people have worked with and recommend. There's going to be a ton of people answering you just because there's shipping companies in those groups as well. So hopefully that will help you guys out. With that said, I would definitely go with whoever provides you with the best rate. All you guys really need to do is contact your supplier and say, hey, I'm interested in working with my own shipping forwarder. They will take no offense to that because it's also less work on their end. All you need to do is ask them possibly what the dimensions are, what the weight is of the entire shipment, as well as the potential HS code, which is the tax code when you are importing things from other countries. So definitely good information to grab from your supplier to share with other shipping forwarders. But definitely I would suggest working with whoever provides you with the best rate as well as the best customer service. Well, hopefully that video helped you guys out. Hopefully it definitely saves you a bunch of money, especially when you guys are looking for new shipping forwarders. I know it definitely saved me a bunch of money, and hopefully saves my students a bunch of money as well. But definitely don't settle. I think that's one of the big takeaways from this video. There's a lot of people that you can work with and a lot of people that will provide you with a better, more reasonable deal. So definitely do not settle. But if you guys are interested in that free 30-minute coaching call, definitely all you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind, Prestige Amazon FBA. And then if you guys are interested in that Facebook group, definitely check out Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind because we are growing. I think we're almost at 700 members or so. So growing on the daily basis, answering everybody's questions. But again, if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate you guys for staying till the end. Be sure to drop a like, and if you have any questions, as always, drop them down below. But until next time, I'll catch you guys at the next video. Peace.